Adam and Eve had the first child ever to be born on earth after God's creation. When she gave birth to Cain, she said, "With the Lord's help, I have produced a man." Later, she gave birth to his brother and named him Abel. When they grew up, Abel became a shepherd while Cain became a farmer. When it was time for the harvest, Cain presented some of his crops as a gift to the Lord. But Abel gave the Lord his best, firstborn lamb. The Lord accepted Abel and his gift, but he did not accept Cain and his gift. This made Cain very angry. "Why are you so angry?" the Lord asked Cain. "You will be accepted if you do what is right. But if you refuse to do what is right, then watch out. Sin is crouching at the door, eager to control you." One day Cain said to his brother, "Let's go out into the fields." While they were in the field, Cain attacked his brother and killed him. Afterward, the Lord asked Cain, "Where is your brother, Abel?" "I don't know," Cain responded. "Am I my brother's keeper?" The Lord said, "What have you done? Listen, your brother's blood cries out to me from the ground. Now you are cursed and banished from the land, which has swallowed your brother's blood. No longer will the ground produce good crops for you, no matter how hard you work. From now on, you will be a homeless wanderer on the earth." Cain replied to the Lord, "My punishment is too great for me to bear. You have banished me from the land and from your presence. You have made me a homeless wanderer. Anyone who finds me will kill me." The Lord replied, "No, for I will give a sevenfold punishment to anyone who kills you." Then the Lord put a mark on Cain to warn anyone who might try to kill him. So Cain left the Lord's presence and settled in the land of Nod, east of Eden. Adam and Eve had another son named Seth. Eve said, "God has granted me another son in place of Abel, whom Cain killed." When Seth grew up, he had a son